Welcome to Grill Core. My name's Paul. Today we're going to make some smoked and fried chicken wings. This is the first time I've done it, so let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do, because I don't want these sitting out too long, is I'm going to get my pit barrel fired up. I've already got the basket full, so now we just got to light it. Okay, well, I'm sure people will tell me this isn't the right way to do it, but it works for me. So I'm just going to take one, and we're going to put on some lighter fluid, just like that. Not soaking it. Get it going, and like that. There we go. Give that about 10 minutes or so, and in the meantime we'll get our chicken ready. While the pit's getting warmed up, we're going to get our chicken ready. I like to separate these. They're whole right now, but if you really want, you can keep them whole, but I prefer to separate them. So the first thing we're going to do is take off the tip, and it's real easy. You can just feel with your knife between the two joints, and then it should come. Another trick is you come right down just like that, and that's how we separate them. So now we got a drum and a flat, and we're gonna go. It's actually the first time I'm trying this today. I've done tons of wings before, but I've never tried smoking and then frying them. So that's the first today. But we got the football on. Looks like the Vikings are winning right now. Not really a football fan, but a lot of people are. So we'll get this taken care of and check back in with you. Now that we got our chicken cut, we'll just lay them out. Make it a little easier on ourselves. And we're not going to use a binder or anything like that today. Just nice, simple. We're going to use Killer Hogs Hickory, since that just came out and it was really good. And look at that. Such a great color already. Let me get over here. There we go. So I'll let these hang out while the pit finishes getting up the temp, and we'll check back. Okay, well, it's been about 10 minutes or so, and as you can see, our chimney's ready to go. So we're just going to go ahead and dump it right in here. I'll kind of move them around, spread it out a little bit. Not too far. And then got some post oak. Alright. That's what we do. Give that another 10 minutes or so, and it should be up to about 275. Alright, well, it's been about another 10 minutes or so, and our pit barrel's running at 275. So let's get this thing loaded up. I already got it cleaned ish, as much as a barbecue can be cleaned. And now we're gonna get our wings loaded in there. They already got a pretty good color on them. So I'm just going to put them in here, and we're not, let's see, and our plan is we're going to cook these through, but we're only going to cook them to about 160, 170, because then the magic is we're going to get some grease or oil fired up, and we're going to fry them as well, because the problem with chicken is that the fat is right below the skin and it takes a higher cook point to actually render out. So if you try to just smoke these things, you'll have some good flavor, but that skin will be rubbery, and unless you got some really good teeth, you're not biting through. So we're gonna do what we can to help. There we go. Chicken down. Alright, and then what I like to do, whatever seasoning's left over on the board, just dump it right in there. Look at that. I'll grab our rebars. We'll still be running about 275 or so. We got Costco charcoal and post oak. So we'll let that get cooked. We'll probably check back in about 30-40 minutes or so to see if it's time to get the oil going. But while we're hanging out, if you like what I'm doing, give me a like and subscribe and hit that bell notification. Or tell me down below if you like what I'm doing, or tell me if I'm doing something wrong. Alright, so it's been about 30 minutes or so. We're gonna check these to see how we're doing. Get this thing open, and oh, look at that. These things look good already. But what we're gonna do is grab our thermometer. I got a thermal pen here, and we're gonna see how we're doing. We got 150, 180. Alright, we're like right where we need to be for this time. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get some oil going on the Blackstone, and then we're going to give these a quick fry and see how they taste. Alright, so let's get our Blackstone going with some vegetable oil, and a foil pan is all you need. Just throw it right on there. Put you down, put that over there for now. What? Okay. We're gonna just dump a whole bottle of vegetable oil right in here. Yeah. Actually, let's turn it sideways, it works better. Get our Blackstone going, turn it to low, and that's all we need to do. It'll take about 10 minutes or so. Once the oil is up to 350, then we can start smoking, or we can start frying, I should say. So we'll come over here and hang out. Okay, now we finally got our oil warmed up. We're going to grab these off the smoker, and then we're going to go give them a quick fry. Take a look at these guys. Man, I almost want to eat them now, but the whole point of this was so we could fry them. So check our oil. Yeah, 350. Oh, a little warmer. Alright. Let's try this out. It should only take 2-3 minutes from what I've heard. What?
You know how long I've been saying I wish I had my sunglasses?
Yeah.
Couldn't feel them on my head.
Yeah. So success or not quite so much?
I mean, they're good.
Yeah.
They're fucking delicious.
There we go. That's what I'm talking about.